Hello traders, welcome back to another video trade with Vibros. We are on day 7 of our challenge of $70 to $1,000 copy trading, and currently we are at an equity of 85.13, a profit of $15.21, and currently at a balance of $95.05. So going in details, so currently we have two big open orders. So these are the one which is majorly contributing to our loss. So last week we had 5 major orders, and currently it is 2. The signal provider has managed to close 3 orders which were in losses, but still he managed to make a good profit. So currently, as you can see, we are at a balance of 95.05. I was checking the account a whole day, and it has gone over $100 at some point of time. So if you look at the history, this is the one of the order which the signal provider has closed today. And if you see other orders, you can see that there are many profitable orders, and I think he has opened and closed almost 200 plus orders today. So if we go the overall picture, yesterday it was $80.6, now it is $85.1. That is a daily change of 5%. So currently from $70 we are at $85.13. So if you are new to the video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you.